Hello. Just wanted to make a little tea for you. For those people that are having coughs, colds, and they really want something to pick from their garden that they can use readily. This is a traditional tea where we're using a little bit of leaf of life. There are 4 leaves here, also called Wonder the World. We're using some broadleaf thyme, as well as some oregano, lemon, and some sea salt. So I'm just going to put this together for you so you can see. You want to bruise those leaves so that the medicine can get out of it. And you can easily bruise this with a knife. You bruise the other ones like the broadleaf thyme. You can use fine thyme if you don't have broadleaf thyme. And some oregano. You're using four leaves of the Wonder the World or Leaf of Life, 3 leaves of the broadleaf thyme, small leaves, baby leaves, and a sprig of oregano. And you're going to put in the fresh lemon juice into your teapot. But then you can also take it and to add a bit more of the medicine from your lemon, you want to use some of this lemon peel. So you wash it good and you make sure that you put in, this is only half of a lemon, but this is more than enough. And you can put some of this into your teapot, about a tablespoon, and a half tablespoon of sea salt. And you fill it with boiling water to steep. You let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. And you have yourself a yummy tea that will be very good for coughs, colds, tickling throats. And you can do this about 2 or 3 times a day. Thank you.